Guys, and thank you for coming back to my channel and taking the time. Please press that thumbs up button if you like this video and comment below, as I love to read your comments. Please also press that subscribe button, as it really helps me and it also keeps you up to date. I'm about a week behind still, but I'm doing daily videos to every other day to keep you updated. If you would like to, please head over to my Instagram page, which is @forkintheroadbex, where you will keep up to date as I upload daily. Now you're going to see my struts that I'm putting underneath my storage so the step can maintain the weight. So if this is something you're interested in, then please stay tuned. Hi my lovelies, how are you doing? I am finally, because I have held it off for absolutely ages because I couldn't be asked really. So I have finally done my support for my storage. So the struts, this is my new, I'll show you. This is my new ear piercing. I mean, not my new ear piercing, sorry. My new ear jewellery, basically. So, as you can see, it is like a rainbow colour. So, yeah. But yeah, anyway, I love it. And it's a bit of a faff to get in. You do definitely have to do it a certain way. But anyway, let's go back to what we're actually talking about here. So guys, so let's get back to what we're on about, is the storage. So I have finally done the storage, as you can see. So I've had to take up the flooring, which was never put down completely because I still am going to arrange some storage underneath there. But as I said, the outer widths are going to be mostly from the back, and the central one there is going to be coming forward, and then obviously there's the storage here. And that's going to be also, I've got one that's there as well, just behind that one. But yeah, it's looking so stable now physically. Like, I'm going to glue a bit more, but I'm thinking that's it now. I did have the IKEA slats come that I saw the idea from another YouTuber, where she had one of these IKEA struts on her bed. I obviously thought that I needed at least 2, maybe even 3 to go there, but because I'd already done the wood for those drawers going horizontal, it meant that those struts then couldn't go over. I wasn't going to do them again, so I've decided I'm just going to stick with the wood, and then I'm going to, which I've done these today, I'll show you them now. Over the next coming days, I will reveal my stunning worktops and how they've turned out. Stay tuned, please like and subscribe because you won't want to miss this. So guys, I've now cut off a piece, which is this piece over here, and it's not quite big enough to do a to a few other places. And nowhere is doing oh god. I've just got to Tesco's and the queue is absolutely ginormous. Like at least 50 people long. Oh, I hate it so much. The days when this virus and lockdown is over would be fantastic. I can't wait. My jigsaw is it's not powerful enough to get through the wood, so it just seems to be burning the wood. So I'm now gonna have to go. I think they said that they might do it on Monday, so I can't do the worktop this weekend, basically. Annoying. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to come back on Monday and see if they do it then. Who knows? Sadness. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go and do some shopping. I'm so tired today. I just feel really tired. This lockdown's making me tired for some reason. I seem to be going to bed really late as well, so that's probably not helping. Tired. I don't want to go into the shop and stand there forever. I should have brought my headphones. I could have listened to this. I've been listening to Audible. I've really got into Audible, and I'm hoping that they're going to see my videos and give me free membership, and then maybe a link for you guys, which would be great. But yeah, we'll see. Because I love Audible. It's I'm really enjoying it, especially for someone that is a slow reader. It's not that I'm a slow reader, actually. I take that back. I'm like a normal average reader, I'd say. But I take quite a long time to take in what the sentence is trying to say, so I usually have to read it like 2 or 3 times. If like I'm really concentrating on what it's saying. So anyway, I'm gonna go into Tesco's. The queue is absolutely ginormous. You can't even see it from there.